Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Ripple is doing today. So looking actually not at the daily chart, guys. I have this written down here. It's a bear flag, points out to 48 cents. Retest. I think we can possibly see a drop back to 38 cents. So we just need to be careful. So let me just kind of show you how I got there. So this is the 4-hour chart. This is usually the lowest I will go when I'm looking at the graph, right? So let's just take this line off. And we'll just take this line off for now. So I am using, so here it is. So this is how I'm coming up with a bear flag, right? So here's your flag and you have your channel. Then if you break the channel, that puts us at about what? About 51. But here's how I'm coming up with the 48 cent mark. So I'm using fib extensions. Nope, this one, sorry. So from the high of November 24th, 2020, bam, to the low of November 26th of 2020, bam, to the high of December 1st of 2020. Boom. So that's where I'm coming up with this 48 cents, because that fib extension from this 3 points puts the 61% retracement at 48 cents. I mean, technical analysis, just you gotta remember, it's not perfect. If not, we will all be billionaires by now, but it gives you a kind of rough idea of what's going on. By the way, guys, if you guys liked the video, don't forget hit that subscribe button. If you get anything useful out of the video, don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way you're gonna help out the channel reach 7 billion people. I mean, the two guys that trained me always said, make sure you train somebody. Here I am with a YouTube channel, trying to give you guys the best content out there. So don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. That being said, guys, so those fib extension from the bear flag that it's took a few days to form, it's pointing out at about 50 to 51, but the fib extensions are pointing out to 48. So I'm going to believe the fibs. So I think that we might have a pullback. I mean, if we break above this fib 38% retracement, which puts us at about 53 cents, we're definitely going down to the 48 cents. We just have to be careful. How I'm coming up with possibly drop back to 38 cents is because, you know, if using the fib extensions, we got a lot of levels right at about the 38 cent mark. I mean, we got quite a bit. So if we drop to the 48 cent, the 200-day moving average will be holding there. Now that will be very crucial, because if we break below, and then we're kind of in trouble. If we break below, because we're more likely we'll go to 48 cents. So just keep that in mind. Let's just change gears a little bit, and let's just change to the daily chart. See what the daily chart is telling us. Daily chart, you know, just about the same. This 61% retracement from the swing high of the September 22nd of 2018 to March 13th low. That 61% retracement, that's our line in the sand. It's also the line of the sand of this inverted head and shoulders that I point out here. Like I said, if we break below that, we're kind of in trouble, and we're definitely going to 48 cents. We could even see 38 cents. And the daily chart, your 200-day moving average is a little bit further back. So, you know, if once we go below the 48 cent mark, could possibly see a drop back to 38, very likely. So just be very careful when you're trading Ripple. By the way, guys, you guys asked for it, we deliver. We created a private chat called Easy Crypto Pro. Go and check it out. I'm gonna put it down in the description below. If you created two versions, the light version, I'm just going to do technical analysis. The pro version, not only you get technical analysis, but you get to interact with me, and I get to hold your hand at all times. So keep that in mind if you need more help aside from the YouTube channel. Also, go and check out my personal Instagram, forexcapital.ca, or go and check out Easy Crypto Pro's Instagram, which is Easy Crypto Pro, guys. So let's just get back to this. For me to get very bullish, well, first we need to hold this line on the sand, which is about 55 cents. Once we hold that, definitely I do want to see a break above the 80-cent mark before I get very bullish. I mean, that doesn't mean that in my short-term position of Ripple, I did exit out. I think it was on the 30th. I know it was towards the end of last month, so I think it was this day that I exited out my short-term position. So I'm just kind of waiting in C mode when it comes to Ripple right now. See where it's gonna go. I mean, if I get a nice, bullish candle in the next couple days, like a piercing line or something along those lines, and then I'll probably just dump some money on Ripple. But until then, I just kind of want to stand aside. I kind of want to wait and see, are we going to break lower so I can buy it at a cheaper price, or are we just going to hold this level so we can go higher? So just keep that in mind, guys. I mean, remember also you got 2 weeks of liquidity drain here coming up soon, so a lot of traders take the last 2 weeks of the year off. So keep that in mind, guys. If you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.